Hello. Yes, now
Hi.
it's perfect. Hi,
Yeah.
how are you?
Hi. Yeah, I'm great. Thank you. What about you? How are you?
I'm very good and I'm very excited to talking with you because it's my first call. I can say I connected in USA, so that's why I was very happy to connect with you.
Yeah, it's my pleasure, Sonam. Really, I'm so glad to see you.
Okay, so
And
just a little bit introduce yourself so may I know because I really don't know anything about you.
yeah, my name is Pavani. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. After I got married, I moved to USA. Present, we are living in USA, New Jersey. Um, I did my graduation in biotechnology. And
Okay.
then right now I'm not working at the moment. I'm preoccupied with my kid. I have one kid, 2 years old. That's
Oh,
it.
it's a boy or girl?
boy, boy.
Oh, wow. Okay. So,
Actually,
like yes, yes, continue.
I like Harry Potter series. That's why I named my baby Harry as a nickname.
Oh, wow. It's very cute name, Harry. It's like a call very easily. Anybody, Harry.
Yeah, yeah,
What's a good
yeah.
name? What's a good name for your son?
Advik Ryan.
Arthik?
Advik, Advik,
Aditi. Oh, yeah,
Advik Ryan,
yeah,
Ryan.
yes, yeah.
Yeah.
But yours like now live in USA, so Harry is very like a common name, like all the. So
Yeah,
they are like all this. Okay, so as you know myself very well, you like to I
yeah.
introduce myself. Okay.
I know about you. So,
Okay. So
you are from UP. Actually, you moved
yes.
to Mumbai, right? Yeah.
No, no, no. Just a little bit of confusion because I'm not moved to Mumbai because I born and brought up in Mumbai. But only
Uh-huh.
my native place is a UP. Basically, I belong to the UP, but
Okay.
I born and brought up in Mumbai. Yes,
Okay.
so you can say I all time like a living in Mumbai or like for to like in
Yeah.
any occasionally I'm going to my village. Yes, so yes,
Okay. Yeah.
and presently I do the my job as a account assistant. You know that, so that's I
Yeah.
was
Yeah.
very busy. Like
No.
it's my I can say it's my fifth call. I connected with you because of Sunday. I have a lot of calls, so I was thinking if I should connect with you or not because like a data issue problem, no. That's why.
Oh, okay. No
Oh,
problem. No problem.
and
Uh, and then you have a busy schedule. Yes?
yes, yes, yes. Because nowadays, na, like people are like connecting with me, but because of my time issue, na, I will not give a time with all
Yeah, of
people.
course. I can understand. I can understand situation. At daytime, you are doing your job, and then besides, you are doing MBA also, right? You are student of first
Yes,
year
yes.
student or second year
No, no,
student?
it's my final year. Only the final year of my exam is only like this because of this pandemic, na, is happened like in
Yeah,
April, but it's
yeah, yeah.
postponed in June month. I don't know if postponed or next month, but present is the June month. Yes,
Mhm.
only the one exam I clear now. I just completed my big like MBA.
Yeah, yeah, of
Yes.
course. Maybe you would have your exams in offline mode, maybe, right?
No, no, it's online mode because not in like offline mode is going on exam.
Yeah,
All the
yeah.
exam is all going like online, but now the time is online is also problem for like taking the exam. That's why.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. How's your life going with all this? Doing
As,
job and then exams, and you are running your own YouTube channel, right? How do you manage all those things?
yeah, but I can say I was very happy with
Yeah.
all this thing now. I was very happy and I was very enjoy my day all the day. Like
Yeah.
I was very busy. I can say I'm very busy, but I will like I was very enjoy all these moments, like interacting with a different people, and I can like a learn different thing with a different people also. So this thing is a
Mm.
very big thing for me. That's why
Yeah.
I don't like a feel I was very tired, and like this thing is not coming nowadays. I
Yeah.
was very
Yeah.
enjoy my days. Yes.
You are indulging yourself with work, so you don't get time to feel bored or tired,
Yes,
right?
yes. You can say that. Yes, yes. It's very correct. You
Yeah.
can say this right. Yes. So actually, I
Yeah.
want to know because you're in Andhra Pradesh. You're before your marriage, you are in India, and now
Mm.
you're shifted in the USA. So how a difference you find in India and USA? Like a lifestyle is your change totally. I can say that.
Hmm. Yes, of course. We have seen different changes, a lot of changes between India and US. So,
Yes.
which context do you want to know the difference regarding to culture,
Like
cultural wide or
like
education wide?
everything everything because in India we are the different culture as you know, and in USA different culture, and their lifestyle for living lifestyle is also different. So I want to know what you find any difficulty for this.
Yeah, we in India, we generally do jobs. We are in rat race, of course. We don't have time to spend our kids, families, even weekend days also. Sometimes weekend, Saturday, Sunday also, we are busy with some work. But here, the people do job only 5 days per week, and Saturday, Sunday, they they go to different place park and they enjoy, they invest their time on weekends with their family, they spend their quality time with their families. That is the wonderful thing. Like that one. Okay.
Okay.
And then here people are independent and independent persons, they don't rely on others. Even parents in 80 years or 70 years, they live separately in their house alone without kids. So
Oh my God.
kids are also living in their life. It would be a 5 or 10 miles distance. Okay.
Okay.
In even old days time also, they go to office as a receptionist or something, grocery stores, and they love to do job by
Okay.
themselves. They don't want to rely on anyone, any kids or something like that. Even youth also at 16 or 16 to 18 age of youth, they go to, they do something for
Yeah, they are
themselves.
doing a job. They for
Yeah,
independent.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Independent. They invest their money for education in university studies also. The lovely
Okay.
thing is nothing but the LKG to 12th standard, government provide the free education. And after university studies, they have to pay money.
Yes.
Yeah, that would be nice. And next one, education system. I love the education system here. US education system, number one education system. They don't, teachers is always push students, always encourage the students how to be an independent person, how to
Okay.
not rely on parents also. So, and in their educational curriculum, they have extracurricular activities also, like
Yes.
music and sports. And India, people and teachers and parents always pushes them to get good marks, good grades. But here,
Yes.
I don't see that type of environment in the education system.
Yes. Yes,
Yeah,
this is a very like a difference in India, and and there people
yeah,
are like a freedom, not any burden of your parents. will depend on your parents. They are earning and they have a lot of knowledge regarding all these things. So they can easily, I can say, spend like a they mix their life, use what I say, like they spend a life without their parents also. They don't need to any guidance. But in India, we like grow like like a 30 to 35 years. But we are like require a guidance of our parents. Now
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying to you.
Yeah,
But
I got.
there is a not any kind of issue like this.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course. They love to be an independent here people. Of course, here some disadvantages also without family responsibilities. They always think about their self only.
Yes.
We give a priority to our parents and elders, respect elders. Of course, the people give respect to elders, but they don't want to live as a joint family. Always supports nuclear families over here.
Yes.
Sometimes this would be great, and sometimes India culture would be great. I can't judge. We need
Yes. Yes.
family. Sometimes we need
Yes.
family, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're like living with your in-laws or like in your husband only.
My husband came here on his project works. That's why I
Okay,
came along with him to accompany him. So
okay,
we are a family of three, my husband and I and my
okay,
kid. That's it.
okay. I was thinking you're like living with your in-laws. That's why I asked you. Like in your
No,
in-laws
no.
in India. They are all
Yeah,
India.
yeah.
Okay,
They want to, they have a visa to come here, but they have only 6 months permission to live here. After 6 months, they have to go back to
yes,
India again. Yeah.
yes, yes, yes. Correct. And what about the like you like enjoy the festival like in India? Like you enjoy this much of like a happy to enjoy there in India, and you enjoy in USA also same because there is
Uh,
a not our religion
family,
people more.
family. You
Okay,
are asking
family.
about family. Family? What did you say? I
No,
didn't
no,
get you.
no, no. I was asking you like a festival, like our Diwali and all that festival. You enjoy, like you feel the same, like you celebrate in India. That
Not,
that
not,
thing.
yeah. Yeah, not up to the mark, but we have neighbors and Indian families. We celebrate. Uh, Actually, we have potluck functions and get together, family get together functions, and we prepare food and we go to park, national parks, and like that. We share our food like that. We celebrate like that, and here you know that in Diwali we don't what burst crackers, all these things, because it
You're not.
has some problem. Yeah, the people over here, the people don't encourage the noise pollution.
Oh my God. Like
Yeah,
you can't like you can't do all that thing like crackers and all that. You are not
no.
doing.
Sometimes only 5 minutes or 10 minutes. We have to whatever we want to do, and then we burst crackers like that. Only 10 to 15 minutes. We don't drag that. Uh, Happiness till 1 hour or 2 hours. No, we should not do like that.
So I can say you miss this all these things. Like in India,
Yeah,
we are in like a celebrate a 2 or 3 hour and only the five
yeah,
minutes. So
yeah,
it's
yeah.
not enough for us. I can say.
That's why I'm saying not up to the mark. We people go to temples and then we celebrate Holi also over here.
Okay.
And then we have the
Yeah.
land, we have the here garden. So we last time we went to there and we celebrate Holi festivals. Like 1 hour, 1 hour, and 2 or 3 families get together, and then we celebrated Holi the time last time.
Okay. Because now the I think the pandemic is going on, so we are not like allowing to celebrate any. festivals. Like USA is also same, na? Not
No,
like
now
they are.
condition in USA is total under control. In 90% or 80% people got vaccinated, no problem. Lockdown, there is no lockdown also. Everything is going smoothly. And first wave of coronavirus, it's very dangerous over here. That was
Yes.
dangerous situation. But this time it would be nice. This going well. No problem.
Wow. Like you people are not wearing the mask for going outside.
Yeah, wearing. We wear mask, of course, wherever we want to go, and then
Okay.
people follow the social distance and wearing masks and sanitization. These the basic things, right?
Okay.
We
Okay.
follow the same things, but there is no lockdown because 90% or 80% got vaccinated, and
Oh.
that's the nice thing. Yeah,
Yes, but here is situation is very bad. I can
yeah,
say you it's very bad. Like every day hear in news 10,000 more than 10,000 people are die because of this
yeah.
corona. And I don't know what's going like 1 or 2 months. What's the situation in India?
Yeah,
I
yeah,
hope so. It's everything fine
yeah,
because it's
definitely.
very bad. I can say very bad. Like China is not affected like this. Like India is affected now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I agree with that because whenever I want to watch news on TV, I feel very scared. I'm scared. I'm confused. Sometimes, without knowing, without aware, I'm just crying. Also, that's why I don't want to watch the
Yeah,
news.
actually, I also ignore this because it's our disturbing our mind and we can't do anything else. That's
Yeah,
why.
yeah, 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 yeah. It is a dreadful situation. We are in chaotic situation. It's too bad, I must say.
Yes, it's too
But
bad.
hopefully, we pray to God for that give strength and to provide the normal situation in India. We just pray to God and hope in Him. That's it.
Yes, yes, that only this thing we can do. Nothing else in our hand. I can say that. Just
Yeah,
pray
it's a
for God and all.
beyond our power, beyond. It's already it's growing intensively day by day. We can't do anything. As well as before that, we cannot predict this much of effect will be going on.
Yes, yes.
It's
Now your
hard.
family in Andhra Pradesh, they all are very good. Like nothing,
Yeah,
any problem.
yeah, yeah,
It's all well. Okay.
yeah. And every day I call them and ask everything is okay. How are you? How are the things with you? I call them. Yeah.
Yeah, because as we girl now, we are more think our parents.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
you are
Yeah.
situated in
God.
a different countries, you can't come and see this all this thing. Now that's why I know you very difficult situation, like living
Mm.
in USA and
Yes.
not seeing with
My
your family members.